What's the meaning of clarification? Clarification. Clarification.
Clarification. Clarification. Clarification means the act of making something clearer and easier to understand. It involves providing additional information or details to eliminate any confusion or ambiguity in communication. Clarification is often used in situations where there is a lack of understanding or misinterpretation of a message. The result of clarification is a clearer and more precise message, which allows the recipient to understand the information being conveyed with greater accuracy. It also helps to avoid misunderstandings, mistakes, and conflicts that can arise from unclear or ambiguous communication. Clarification is an important tool in effective communication and can lead to better collaboration and decision-making.